Hey, what's up, family? What's up, friends? It's a Sunday. Happy Sunday to everybody. Nothing said here is going to be financial advice, just something to try to help you navigate the markets this week. Uh, Before making any investments or doing anything with your money, consider talking to your broker or your financial advisor because investing carries risk and you don't want to risk money that you can't afford to lose. So, with that being said, let's get straight to this video. Let's get to what we got here. I got my AMD chart up. The same few stocks that I was talking about in my previous video, I'm going to talk about again today. And then I'm going to add a company for you to put on your radar that's going to make some nice gains. So get ready because, like I'm saying, it's a lot of red. If you look over here, the market's tanked. This is just in the past week what AME has done. All this red candle represents 1 week. Let's go to the daily candle. So for the past, as you've seen previously on the weekly video, for probably a little bit over a week since we hit them all-time highs over the last couple of weeks, AMD has just been selling off, selling off, selling off. So keep this on your radar, and it's still a good company. It's still a good play to consider to have in your portfolio. So don't be scared of what you see right here. Sometimes you just got to look in the picture. When in doubt, zoom out. And if you look at our monthly chart, it still looks pretty crazy. October October was a heck of a month, and it sold off since. So it's gonna rebound. So put this on your radar and going forward because it's gonna pay off. MSTR, look at MSTR, 543 at its highs. This is the monthly count. This is since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost over the past year. It's just started trending down, came all the way down below where it's at now, 190, and then we had a pop back up to 300s. Now it's down to 170. This is very, very, very juicy. As soon as Bitcoin starts to run back up, you're gonna see MSTR catch some fire and get back in the game. So let me throw this other one on here. We had BE. It was at 147. I made a video. It was at 106. The market crashed. Now it's way back down here to $89, $90. So if the market picks back up, keep some of these plays on your radar. And finally, where are we at? Meta. Look at Meta. Still under 600. Still under 600, family. And you see where it was at, almost at 800. That's $200 drop. That's like 25% down. So when the market turns around, keep Meta on your radar. Meta will be back. Meta has a lot of interest out there. Facebook, Snapchat, all those things that you guys like and love, all the media plays that Meta has and AI plays and interest that Meta has. Keep Meta on your radar. I got one more, and it's boom, Lyft. Lyft is going to go too, y'all. Lyft is back down to right around $20, 1983 after hours on our last session. And understand that Thanksgiving is coming, holidays is coming. Market's just going to be open 3 days before Thanksgiving and I guess Black Friday, but it won't be much action on Black Friday. So the markets will be slow. So just be ready for that. Be ready for the holiday slowdown with these plays having gone down. Will they go up by Thanksgiving this week? Possibly. Keep these on your radar. Lyft will see $30. Lyft made it. What's Lyft's highs over here? 52-week highs, $25. We get over that $25, we're gonna see $30 on Lyft. So put Lyft on your radar. Stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe and notification bell so that as these stocks start to move, I'm going to be coming back with updates and with some entry and exits as far as for options, if you play options or if you trade options. But as far as for shares go, these stocks are in buy zone. Every single one: Lyft, AMD, Strategy, uh, BE. All these are in buy zones. Meta. So, and there are plenty. There's always going to be good opportunities out there. Nvidia and all these moves. They're putting the fear in the market. The market is tanking. There's a lot of uncertainty, but this is a good time to be involved. This is a good time to build a portfolio. If you don't really understand how to trade the markets or get in the game, leave a comment and I can make a video covering how to get into one of these uh, brokerage accounts, how to open a brokerage account, not get into one, how to open a brokerage account. And you can start with as little as $20, $40, $100, whatever you have that you can take and invest for your future is a good spin. So yeah, family, we're in a pretty testy place right now, but the goal isn't to be right, it's to make good trades. So if we can make good trades, we're in position when this market settles down and bottoms out. Man, the opportunities are going to be everywhere. They're everywhere now. If you have a watch list and you're watching these stocks, I've put a lot of stocks on your radar since I started this channel, and I got a nice what I'm gonna call a hit rate, because I've been doing this for 5 years. I've been in this game for 5 years, and I do a lot of studying. I spend a lot of time in the market. I spend a lot of time in the charts. I've refined my game a little bit, and I'm still working on the psychology of being in this game and staying in this game. It takes a lot to stay in this game for 5 years. Anyone to tell you, if you stay in this game for 5 years, then you've done something. Now, I'm not the best. I'm not perfect. I don't know everything. The market is unpredictable, but I do know how to navigate it. I do understand it. I understand the moves they make, and knowledge is key. And it's not what you know, it's what you do with what you know. So I'm taking the knowledge and I'm going to try to share it with you. I'm going to try to lay out the play, and hopefully we can execute this play together. You know, and with me as a quarterback and you guys receiving these plays, we can score some touchdowns. I'm telling you, the market is at a place where some home runs, however you want to look at it. Whatever, of course, you see the U of L back there, and you see the sign over there that says patience pays. And we wait on price action, and patience pays. So get ready to make this money. Get ready to watch the market do what it does. And if you're watching, then you're doing something good. If you're waiting, then you're doing something good, because then you're ready to strike like a cobra. When the market hits the target that you wanted to see, be ready to pounce, because you're going to make some money. Don't let me come back in a year or 2 years or 3 years and these plays like BE that's $80, $90 now is $180, and Meta's back to 800, and even MSTR from 170 to 350 is almost 100%, and I've seen it hit 350 several times. In this market, what's old is new, and what's new is old. What's new is old. So the games they play, and some of the things you see, and some of the things that go on in the market, you just got to be wary. You just got to be patient, and you got to be prepared. Always good to be prepared, not surprised. And if you're ready, you won't have to get ready. So with that being said, the market pays you if you wait. Peace.